Oh, she going, buddy.
What's that, a log or a root?
A log, I think. Big ass one.
It's stuck in the ground.
We tried to pull it up one time.
He ain't coming up there. Y'all safe, right?
Damn it!
Come on, you ain't
You almost there. You almost there.
Huh?
You almost there. Come on.
We ain't going nowhere.
Another 15 minutes, you be there. Come on.
Go ahead and pull him out.
Hey, this is how we get our bank washed out. 10 more tries.
Choo! Oh, he cut off. He shut off.
Huh?
Water ran out.
He said his water ran out.
You got any fishing rods on that boat? Hey, Bear, I know you can see these flourishes out here, huh?
Hey, you can reach the bottom now.
Huh?
You can reach the bottom plate now. Hey, right there in the middle. You got bottom plate. Put the toe hole in.
Come on, I got it.
Hey, you should put it in that black plate. That's what it's for.
That black plate don't pull off though.
No, it ain't.
On the side, on the side.
No, right there. It ain't gonna pull off.
That's on the side.
No,
Right
it's
there.
good. It's good. Just back up a little bit.
I don't think so. That Dave Valerian.
Woo!
Barry gonna get it.
Look at Barry. Look at Barry. Barry doing the crab coming up the hill.
Barry just snatch it out the hole. Get your ass.
Come on, bitch. Get on up here.
No.
No.
Quitter,
I ain't
Don't be
fooling
a
with
quitter.
y'all.
Please don't be a
I
quitter.
ain't gonna ride that. Appreciate that.
Y'all folks hear this? Barry Cohen is a quitter. Barry looking at that window.
Barry, what you got to say, Barry?
Only thing I gotta say, they cheated me. Rod Allen, John cheated me. I seen him toss that log down there when I went down behind me here.
Yeah.
Put this winch over here, that stainless steel.
The cable?
Yeah, you can have it when you fix it.
Yeah.
This is a 50 footer. I got a 75 at the house.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey Barry, you gonna get your Polaris in?
Nope. It's on, is it? We got some more riding to do.
Oh
We
shit.
ain't made it through this trail here yet, buddy.
Him all around.
We got some more riding to do.
Boys, we don't piss.
What you got to say, Barry?
We got some more riding to do.
Okay.
We in trouble.